welcome to Teal Cooking. So I can't wait to share with you one of my favorite comfort food recipe growing up, created by my mom. So our kids actually call it Oma's fried rice. So Oma means grandma in Indonesian. So anyway, this fried rice, it's so simple, it's so yummy and amazing, and I just cannot wait to share the recipe with you. So before we get started, just want to let you know this fried rice is actually amazing for anybody, including you that have food allergies, because they're gonna be free of dairy, eggs, peanuts, tree nuts, seeds, fish, and shellfish. Should we get started? Let's go. First up, I just started by mincing about 5 to 6 cloves of fresh garlic. You definitely can use the store-bought minced garlic, but the fresh one definitely is better. So next, I'm just gonna cut up this baby carrot into little pieces. So now next, let's cut up some scallion or green onion. So now that we're done cutting up our vegetables, we're gonna move on cutting up our meat. So we're gonna use bacon and chicken breast. So I have 4 slices of bacon right here that I'm gonna start to cut it up into small little pieces. All right? So now that I'm done cutting up my bacon to small little pieces, next up is our chicken breast. So all it is, we're just gonna cut it up into about 1/4 inch cube. So super easy, just cut up little slices and you're just gonna cut into a 1/4 inch cube. Voila, it's all done. So now that our chicken is also done into little pieces, and I've already prepped some rice. Just a little tip to make a really great fried rice: don't use mushy rice. I love to use a little bit of dry, about a day old rice. So I just took it out of the rice cooker to let it cool off for a little bit, and now we're gonna be ready to assemble our fried rice. Look at this yummy goodness. I can't wait for you to try this yummy recipe at home. It is so good. The bacon is definitely take this fried rice to another level. I promise you. So I can't wait for you to use this recipe as a quick, homey, like comfort food for your family. Whether you have food allergy or not, you can share on the same table, and I promise you, no one will ever know. So good. Another tip from me: if you like a little crunch, we usually put on top of it like a little bit of prawn crackers. So if you're not allergic to prawn or shrimp or any shellfish whatsoever, you can definitely add prawn crackers to this. You can just run to an Asian market, grab a little prawn crackers, and add it on top of this fried rice. It's gonna complete your meal. Anyway, so for amazing, simple, allergen conscious recipe, keep following me, and I can't wait to share more yummy goodness with you. I'll see you next time.